Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced motorhomes ever built, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. This masterpiece takes the prestige and engineering brilliance of BMW and merges it with the comfort and freedom of a premium home on wheels. From its sleek, futuristic design to its powerful performance and high-end interiors, this motorhome is made for travelers who refuse to compromise on style or comfort. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 BMW Motorhome features a streamlined aerodynamic body that not only looks stunning but also enhances fuel efficiency and road stability. The signature BMW kidney grille has been reimagined for a larger frame, paired with adaptive laser headlights that provide exceptional visibility in any condition. The body is sculpted with precision lines and flush door handles, while the large panoramic windows create an open and inviting feel from the outside. You also get fully automated side awnings, premium alloy wheels designed for both aesthetics and durability, and a powered rear storage compartment for all your travel gear. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that feels like a luxury apartment. BMW has incorporated its signature design language with top-quality materials, fine leather upholstery, brushed aluminum trims, and real wood accents. The cabin is bathed in ambient LED lighting with customizable colors to suit your mood. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a digital instrument cluster, an AI-powered infotainment system with voice control, and advanced driver assistance features for stress-free long-distance travel. In the living area, you'll find a fully equipped kitchenette with smart appliances, a convertible dining space, and a lounge area with a large OLED TV and premium sound system. The sleeping quarters feature a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, while the bathroom offers a rainfall shower, heated floors, and luxury fittings. When it comes to performance, BMW has made sure this motorhome delivers both power and efficiency. The 2026 model comes with a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, producing a smooth yet powerful drive. You get adaptive air suspension for a comfortable ride, even on rough terrains, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system for maximum control in any weather. The motorhome also supports regenerative braking and solar roof panels to help power onboard systems. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is positioned in the ultra-luxury segment, starting at around $350,000 and going up depending on customization options. It's a significant investment, but for those who value the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and adventure, it's worth every penny. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade that turns every journey into a first-class experience.